All right, so what we about to do is just do a daily review. Today I took a trade in LCFY and pretty much got my max daily limit hit. So we just gonna review this trade, see what I did right, what I did wrong, what I can work on, and we just gonna watch the trade. So I'm gonna play this video on my top monitor. I'm gonna let it play out, and then we'll talk about it. 75 on big volume. Looking to see this volume teeter out right here. And if we get a big volume breakout closing above 967, then I'm be looking for the buy. I'm probably about to buy about 500 shares of LCFY. Protection gonna be below 770. I'll be in above 1045. I'm only trade 100 shares. All right, I'm in 100 shares. Put my stop loss at 770. Oh wow, I just got in the wrong trade. Uh, Damn. All right, so the video stopped prematurely in the heat of the moment. Sometimes I forget when I'm recording, when I'm not recording. But what ended up happening in this position is I actually ended up hitting my max daily loss limit. I added to the position that it as it was going up in my favor, so I think I ended up buying um, like 100 shares of this, 150, 150 shares of this position. But I'm gonna pull up the screenshot so you can actually see what happened in the market. And hold on, let me pull up this screenshot real quick. All right, so this is the screenshot of how the trade played out, and you can see if I zoom in about 100 shares right here, and then I bought another 100, and I was actually about to add to it some more as it was going up. You can see that wick forming candle. I'm thinking this is the breakout that I was looking for, and then out the blue, it just ripped to the downside. So, okay, so the first thing about this trade is if you notice at the beginning of the video, this is the screenshot, but at the beginning of the video, as you can see, I got a completely different symbol typed in to my order entry um dome or whatnot than I do that's on the chart. So like I'm looking to buy a stock called LCY, but I'm actually in a whole different symbol. So you can see I changed my chart, but I didn't change my order entry method, which it still has ride pulled up, and I'm trying to buy LCY. So I would say that's a platform error on my part. And then I traded with way too much size, so I feel like one trade should make me hit my daily loss limit. But man, this trade really was just, I mean, this market was just going crazy. So like I got a little excited and I didn't have um my math right on how many shares I should have been trading with. So I should have been looking at the risk side of it instead of the reward side because the market just got carried away and I fell into that trap. So I was just looking to get the trade on without thinking it was gonna go against me. And when that happened, I just had way too much size on this trade and ended up hitting my loss limit. So I just put down that not having risk predefined. I will say when I got into this trade, that's when I started looking at where I was gonna get out. Instead, I should have been looking at that from the jump. Other than that, I mean, I still think it was a good trade. We got the pullback like I wanted. Um, the light volume was here in the coil. Volume started to contract. Then we got the big volume breakout. Now, that probably was a little extended. The move was extended. So I did feel skeptical. And then lastly, the NASDAQ and the S&P had a big sell-off today. So I shouldn't have been looking for too much out of this trade after this big move just because of the overall market was making a big sell-off. So that was another thing to note. And as far as what I did good, I didn't hesitate on this. I put the trade on. I accepted the risk, just didn't have my stop predefined. And I was in the right market. Like I was in the biggest names that were moving today. Just got in it a little late, so my focus for tomorrow it'll be number one showing up early, already having my trades pre pre-planned out. Besides like breakouts that I'm gonna take and what I did to fix number two, which is my order entry method and my chart matching up. I just found out I can link those, so I hit that link right there. Boom, that's gonna match it with this yellow dot right here. It put a yellow dot there. That means whatever I type on my chart or vice versa, it's gonna match those two up. So I won't have that issue again. And a predefined risk that'll just be something I have to do in the moment because every stock has a different price. So I'm gonna have to do that. Make sure I do that, and I'm gonna get it all on camera. So looking to trade a new style, breakout, big movers, trying to outperform the market. So I'm gonna trade stocks that's outperforming the market, and gotta get used to how fast these moves. I mean, these moves happen so fast. Like it really shocked me. I've been trading futures where I mean it's been moving pretty slow for a minute, so I really wasn't expecting this market to move this fast. So that's about it for this trade. That's my review. We're gonna get better, fix everything that went wrong today, and get better tomorrow. See y'all on the next one.